It's been a very exciting time for us. We have been growing at pretty much a very fast clip, the fastest in APAC, and a lot of hustle, a lot of juggling, but very satisfying, right? We're growing from a 4-country operation to be getting into a lot of more countries in the region, a lot of more frontier markets in the region, and we've seen a lot of our customers appreciating what we're doing. So when we hear it from our customers, and when we hear it from our customers in terms of what we have been able to achieve for them, it gives us a sense of satisfaction. That's been the PDX for the last 12 months. I think when I look at digital infrastructure, across nearer home, or you're looking at in APAC, sustainability is becoming the most pressing issue that you have, right? You have, the amount of carbon that you're emitting. We all know that, the COP26, the COP27, everywhere we are seeing that, if we do not limit our emissions, right, the planet is going to die, right? We understand that. We also understand that, digital is the way to actually reduce carbon emissions. But digital cannot happen without digital infrastructure, without data centers, right? So we're trying to get that message across, but as an industry, we also understand that we have to become the most efficient industry ever, right? So how do we limit our carbon emissions, right? How do we use more green? How do we create innovations that ensure that not just the digital infrastructure, but the IT workloads become much more efficient? That's been the primary objective that we've been driving across. So we've been working with governments, we've been working with stakeholders, and working with the industry at large, and trying to educate how we can actually save the planet. So that's the most pressing issue that we have. I think, while I see a lot of vilification of the data center industry, I think the industry has more than proven itself, right, by ensuring that you have seen so much computing power coming in, but the power is more or less nearly the same in terms of percentage terms. So we continue innovating, we continue doing more green, we continue becoming more or continue becoming less in terms of emissions. So that's the most pressing issue. The other one that I see is lack of human capital, skill sets, competencies. So we're working with governments, we're working with our communities, and a big piece of that has been how we push diversity and inclusion, because that way we can increase the talent pool. We can try to say that, ensure that, we bring in people, we train them, and we retain them, right? And the train and retain has been, one piece that can help solve this problem. So these are the two pressing issues that I see. I see this is a great place to meet your peers, meet some of our customers, learn a lot about what's happening in the industry, and network as a whole. And I see this is a great congregation of thought leaders. So it's a no-brainer. We have to be here. This year, I think, I met a lot of my peers, and this is a reiteration of the theme that we said, what's the most pressing issue? Everybody seemed to be seized with sustainability, right? So I think that was the most pressing issue that I've seen all across in whichever region that I'm talking to, that this is what needs to be solved for.